Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Simply Earth unboxing for July, and I thought this was really funny. Whenever I went to go open it, I'm like, what is this? And it says, they started putting these stickers on. It says hand-packed by Cheryl, aka Whodette. I don't know why, I just thought that was the funniest thing. I was like, what is on my box? So that's new. I hope they keep it up because I think that's really funny. So, let's take a look. I see a balloon. That's interesting. So here are the stickers. They always give you stickers to label your products, which I like. And they're nice and colorful. We have all sorts of recipe cards. I'm going to go to this one first since I saw the balloon rather. It's a DIY scented stress ball. That's fun. So you pour flour into there and then use different essential oils. Cool. That'd be fun for the kids. I'm sure they will like that. Instructions on the back. Then we have natural slime. And some of the products in here should be in here as well. But if it's stuff that isn't in the box, a lot of times it comes in your bonus box, which you get twice a year, every 6 months. But you should have, you know, the other stuff. Water, flour was on the other one. So a lot of simple ingredients. Instructions on the back. We also have Sweet Dreams Bath. So that just has Epsom salts, Sweet Dreams Essential Oil Blend, and fractionated coconut oil. And then I always check the back of them because sometimes the rest of the recipe's on it, but sometimes there's information about the box. So this one actually has our essential oils on here that we got in the box this month. So there's tangerine, fir needle, lavender, and Sweet Dreams blend, which we'll take a closer look at here in a moment. Then we have a homework diffuser blend that has tangerine and fir needle. I bet that smells really good. I love fir. Anything that kind of smells like a Christmas tree I really like. So next month, they give you a sneak peek. So August is going to be about face care. So they do tell you what essential oil blends are coming in August, which is really fun. Reusable sheet mask, very cool. I look forward to that one. Next recipe is a Sweet Dreams roll-on. Again, very easy. You have the little bottles from your bonus box. Just put some essential oil and some coconut oil. That's all there is to that. So about this month's box. Essential oils are powerful and it's important to respect them when using with kids. That is very true. Not all of them are kid safe. So these are kid safe recipes to enhance your child's wellness. Very nice. And lavender scented bubbles. We are definitely going to try that because we're almost out of bubbles. So warm water, dish soap, corn syrup. I think I have that at home. Lavender essential oil and a bubble wand. Very nice. And every month there is a cause of the month, and this time it's A21 Amsterdam. So let's see what that is about. So they believe in freedom. That's our goal for every human being on the planet. Very nice. They have their website down there in case anyone wants to check them out. Then we'll take a look at some of the other stuff they sent us. So here's the balloon, and it says Simply Earth, and it has little essential oil bottles. That's really cute. And then, don't know how to say that, husk powder. It's food grade and soluble fiber. So that was for one of the recipes. There's enough there to make one of those. And then our oils. So I'm excited to see what's in this one. Sweet Dreams blend. Let's see. Cedarwood, Himalayan, marjoram, frankincense, lavender, and German chamomile. But that one's a good one. Fir needle, that's a classic. Love it. Lavender, also a classic. You can put that in so many different recipes. Love the smell of that. And the last one is tangerine. So that is what came for the month of July. If you guys are interested, I do have a promo code below. If you join, get a gift card, and I'll put all the information in the description box. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.